Hi, in front of me I have OUKITEL WP6 and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. Let's start by opening the quick panel first. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like that. And here we have screen recorder icon. Let's tap on it. This menu will appear right here. You can tap on the microphone icon to mute it or unmute it. And you can also tap on this icon on the left to enable the touch highlight, like that. When you want to start the recording, simply press the play button. And now the screen is recording. You can even see it in the notification bar. And once you're done, tap on this blue bar right here on the right side of your device. The menu will appear again. You can again adjust your settings if you want. You can hide it by tapping this arrow, and you can stop the recording by tapping the stop button, like that. We can also view our recording now, so let's tap on the notification. The screen is recording. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.